pair of watches to unbox here. This is a new Seagull watch. The one that I had, I traded away. I like all the Chinese characters around the back glass. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, looks cool with the blue and red hands. Black NATO, a green NATO, and a black leather strap with it. Cool. There's one more in here. I have one more watch in here. Cool looking leather strap. Just lay that in there for now. G-Shock Absolute Toughness. It's got the resin strap on it, but it did come with adapters and a NATO. That's cool. My other G-Shock, I have adapters, but I don't believe compatible with NATO. So I'll have to see how I like this one. I don't think that it's going to dethrone the Mudmaster, but we'll see.